You know your Xbox 360. 3 red lights of death, one of the baddest ones. You see where you click it? 3 red lights. So we need to turn it completely off. Plug out anything that you've got in there. So that's completely unwired. Now I'm going to I turned off my plug sockets, and as you can see, I haven't turned my plug sockets back on. It's got nothing on. Right, so I've just turned them back on. This might work on some of them, it might not, but it's just sometimes because of the dust. And as you can see, it's all worked. Maybe it doesn't work because you need to open the dust bit up. I've completely took all of that off so I could get into like the Xbox bit, and blow all the dust off these if you need to.